Glam Stars, so let's get right to it. I'm using my Conair foot spa on today, and I'm going to start by adding in some distilled white vinegar. Now if you don't know the benefits of vinegar, vinegar can disinfect the feet. This helps eliminate or reduce foot odor by getting rid of the bacteria that makes them smell. Before soaking, wash your feet thoroughly with soap and water, and then relax in your vinegar soak, which is what I'm getting ready to do now. I will also be using Listerine, and if you don't know what Listerine is good for, well, let me tell you. Listerine. A Listerine foot soak is a type of at-home foot bath. It's primarily used to treat athlete's foot and toenail fungus. People also use Listerine on their feet to help remove dead skin. Listerine, which is normally used to prevent cavities and gingivitis, has numerous active ingredients, especially for getting rid of dead skin on the feet. So I'm going to be applying 2 full caps of Listerine in order to get my feet super duper soft.
My time. Let's stay in this bed now.
Now I am turning on my foot spa, and by the way, everything that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below. I will be soaking my feet for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will be coming back in to file off all of that dead skin.
'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
So after 15 to 20 minutes of soaking in my Conair foot spa, I am now removing my feet, and the first thing that I'm going to do is dry off my feet.
What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Here's my feet after they are all dried off, and now I am taking my PedEgg with the handle on it, and I'm going to be filing off some of that dead skin. Now if you are interested in purchasing a PedEgg, it will also be listed down below for you, and I'm just going to remove all of this dead skin.
You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Okay, so now I am taking my round drill bit for the feet, and I'm going to be using my MelodySusie drill on today. But if you did not hear me the first time, let me reiterate that everything will be listed down below, and I'm just filing off all of that extra dead skin that I probably didn't get off with my PedEgg.
You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in
And now it is time to shave all of that extra hair off of my toes. I will be using aloe vera gel to do just that.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind.
Now today I will be using my ceramic drill bit from Amazon to file off that old gel polish. Now if you just used regular polish, you could just use some acetone to get that off, but I use gel, so I am filing my gel polish off. And today I will be using gel polish again, so I'm starting by applying my toe separators, and I'm going to apply my gel polishes of choice. Now check out the description box down below to see all that I am using.
Gloria, please, don't cry for me. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. But like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the words is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, yeah. I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Now as you all will be able to tell, I did end up changing my gel polish to pink in the end, and here are the final results. this is what my feet turned out looking like, and if you have not seen this shoe haul, I definitely recommend that you check it out here on my channel. It is an amazing video, and for more videos like this, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button